You want it cooked?
Want it cooked?
Yeah.
So you want it brown?
No.
You want one more s'more?
Too brown.
Dude, you want it s'more?
Yeah, I'll make it too brown. I'll make it for brown.
Do you want it how I made
Mellow.
it? Like how I had it? Made you one?
I want her to make me mad.
For me?
For her.
Easy?
That's gonna be black.
It's gonna be black.
It's not. Don't burn it or I will kill you.
Oh, that's great.
Oh, really?
Literally. Let me think. Literally. What does literally mean, Brock?
That means real.
Really?
Real?
Correct. That's funny. It's like literally. Literally. What? Where'd you learn that word?
Probably get it at school.
I heard it on... You should not be wearing that shit. Gravity Falls.
Gravity Falls, you learned literally?
Okay. I don't think it's...
What is that show?
I don't know.
How do you know it?
It's a new show. Mom, blow it!
What show is it?
Gravity Falls. Yeah. Not yours. Okay, okay.
Not yours. Dee making it.
I know. I think it's done.
Does anyone know
done.
if the Tigers won today? Or what the score is?
Papa probably knows.
You should do that.
We're gonna get next to
Who are
fire.
you playing?
Don't know.
The
If
fire
it's
losing.
done. Actually, I want on fire. I want on fire.
Oh.
I had one for you on
For Brock
fire.
or you?
You didn't
Yeah,
want it.
it was a little stuck actually, like brown or something.
Well, if it's on fire, it's gonna be black.
Yeah. Yeah. Blow it out. No, I'll blow it out. I want to. No. You guys are way too much now. I'll eat it.
You want me to put one on fire so you can blow it out?
Yeah.
Put ball on it.
You're wasting them out.
What do we do here?
Oh, you can eat it. You like the burnt one.
We'll get a giant one for Aunt Jamie, because Aunt Jamie's gonna want the giant balls.
Okay, what?
Don't.
That's the 20th today.
I'll get next to fire.
Alrighty?
No, she can.
Found it.
I can really get him on fire. Oh, that's fine.
Blow it out.
Blow it!
There you go. You know?
I can't touch it. That might.
No.
Not too done.
It's like cold stuff.
There you go, Brock. What are you doing there, heifer?
I don't want to eat the outside.
Oh, my God.
Oh, okay. You got to eat outside. Yeah. Get rid of it. Ew.
You told me to catch it on fire.
I like the fire part.
You don't want the fire part?
I think he just wanted to blow it out.
Yeah. Don't give it to me yet.
Does he not want it?
No, I just want it right now.
I do.
Just throw that in the fire, Brock.
I'll do it. Wow, Brock. I got it.
I think you missed.
No.
Yeah. Yeah.
You're gonna have like a sugar rush tonight.
It's like getting these kids to sleep.
Okay, now where's my s'more?
I thought you just wanted marshmallow, you said.
I want s'more.
Give me a peanut butter cup set up.
No, I want chocolate. Hey, give me
Chocolate setup I need.
nothing.
Chocolate setup.
What are you screaming about?
I can't see nothing.
There's chocolate in there.
Chocolate.
Friday? The Tigers play today or sure?
It's Monday. It's probably going on right now. It's 5 night over.
Should show on Friday's score.
Well, it's Friday's score.
They won. Baltimore.
There's a door. Yeah.
Bye.
Is there a dress on it?
You can get a Tigers